See, this is what I was curious about. This song changes the trajectory of my life as much as the Lincoln Shrine song did, right? If that album hadn't had this song on it, it wouldn't have been randomly picked up by a BBC DJ, who then started playing us on like the equivalent of top 40 radio in the UK, right? There was no other song on this record that would have been like that. So this song changed the trajectory of my life. But it didn't change the trajectory of his life, because about 3 months into the band, he just showed up at rehearsal one day and he's just like, hey, I've had a calling from God, and I'm gonna go become a minister and go on missions all over the world. And he actually did. So this song didn't do anything to him, but it did to me. It's curious, right? So this kind of tells the story here. Oh, also, the day I wrote this song, I was working in a liquor store, and I was the low guy on the totem pole. So the first thing I had to do when I came in, it was like a Friday payday, I had to fill up the cooler. But while I was filling up the cooler, somebody came in and robbed the liquor store. So I didn't even know it'd been robbed. But when I came out, like the liquor store was full of police, right? So, I was working in a liquor store in San Bernardino, summer of 1983. The liquor store got robbed while I was stocking up the cooler. Took a 40 and I went home and wrote a song. I wrote a song called Take the Skinheads Bowling. So won't you take the skinheads bowling, take them bowling. It's a song that don't mean anything. It's a song that put me on a different trajectory. Take the skinheads bowling, take them bowling. Co-founded the band with a guy named David McDaniels. Had a calling from God and left the band. He went on missions all around the world while I toured around, meeting girls that liked the song called Take the Skinheads Bowling. Take the skinheads bowling, take them bowling. I wrote a song called Take the Skinheads Bowling. Reverend McDaniel built an orphanage. Sadly, you've never heard of him, and you've barely heard of me, though I wrote a song called Take the Skinheads Bowling. I'm going to do one more of my solo songs, and I'll bring them